Hello, hi, welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks. This is Anil once again back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you and demonstrate you whatever I have promised in the last class. That today I will be teaching you how to make your personal computer or laptop or your system to talk whatever you want. How the system knows whatever you want, that we can specify through a text file. Whatever you want that you type in a text file in the form of text, that text will be read by the machine in the sense your Windows 7 system or your laptop or your computer or anything. That how the system will understand by the scripting file. Today we are going to generate a text file, but that text file is not a normal file. It is an VB scripting file. Why? Because we are selecting VB scripting file because VB script is an official scripting language of Microsoft, and we all know that Windows is also Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, and these all products are the official products of Microsoft. So these all products interrelatedly linked with VBScript. So that's the reason today I am opting VBScript as the official scripting language. By using that VBScript scripting language, we will be generating just 4 lines of code. Don't be nervous by seeing that just 4 lines of code. I will be explaining each and every line, and that will make you understand. If you won't understand, also please forget and just concentrate on the second line, there where you need to put your text, whatever you want to speak by the computer. So I will be opening a normal notepad. This is what a notepad. So as of now, I am creating two variables. One of the variable name is, I'm taking it as speaks as a variable name, and speech as another variable name. Variable is nothing but a content holder which can hold some content or some value. And in technically we can speak, a variable is nothing but address of a temporary memory location in the computer. Until unless the program gets terminated, the temporary memory address location will be generated, and that will be known to the program. So this is technical terminology. If generally we think that speaks and speech is a variable, variable is nothing but which holds some value. So as of now, consider that variable is nothing but which holds some value. This is the first line. We are done with the first line of code. Second line of code, I am assigning whatever the text we want to speak by the computer. So I am taking a variable speech. I am assigning a value. I'm just open double quotes. In that double quotes, I'm writing hi, hello, Anil, please welcome. This is what I want to computer to talk. Second 2 lines of code has finished, and the third line is I am creating an object which creates sound for Windows 7 operating system. So to create an object, and after that object I am going to assign to another variable with speaks. So set speaks equal to, now I am setting a object to speaks. Create object, open brace, double quotes, sapi.spvoice. This is the object we are creating. Now 3 lines of code is done. In first variable, speech is a variable. In this we have a line of text what we want to computer to speak, and in second variable we have created an object of sound generating, and that sound generating object having in speaks variable. So the last line is I am giving a command for the sound generating object to speak. What is the sound generating object here? Speaks is the sound generating object. So I am asking that sound generating object to speak dot speak. This is a command. With what text I am asking the sound generating object to speak? With the speech text. This is the text. This is the same. So now I will be saving this file on the desktop. double quotes open. Take any name. Let me take it as logon sound dot. This is very important. VBS. Save it. Now it's done. Now we have a script file on the desktop. If we open it,
Hi, hello panel, please welcome.
this is what the script file sounds. And whatever the sound you heard, it is a normal speed, means it's a neutral speed. And if we have an option to add, or we can alter the speed rate, and we can alter the sound volume also by adding some with class. So that I will be showing. I will be showing you the all the three types of speed rates. I have already developed the three files. This is the fast version of that what I have created right now. I will be opening this one.
Hi, panel, please welcome.
This is the neutral one.
Hi, hello panel, please welcome.
This is the slower one.
Hi, hello panel, please welcome.
So if we have a look at the code wise, I will open with notepad. Fast version. See, just this is an extra code we have kept in that file. So whatever we have generated recently, this is the file. Now what we're doing is we will putting an extra code here, just 4 lines of code. Now this is an extra class. By this class we can modify the speed, rate and also volume. So if I give this as positive number greater than 0, is nothing but positive number. If the rate is positive number, the speed gets increased. If it's the 0, it is called neutral speed, normal speed. And if we give negative value, then the speed rate gets slow. So in case if we give it as minus 15, if we save this one,
Hi, hello panel, please welcome.
this is what the effect we get depending upon the value what we give in this text file. So you can change this to 15 or 0 or 12 or minus 12, that depends upon you and it's up to you, you can change. Now once this file has been generated and which can produce a sound,
Hi, hello panel, please welcome.
so I'm making it as normal with 0. This is normal speed. I'm going to save this one. I'm closing this one. And before, as what I have promised in the last class, that how we can put our own text file as a startup sound. So whatever we kept in the last class, how our music file, we kept our music file as a startup sound. So before doing this task, we need to remove that old file what we have kept. So for that we need to go control panel and we have to search for hardware and sound. In that chain system sounds, scroll down, log on. This is where we kept a last file. So now what we will doing is click on the Windows logon and click here under the sounds menu and select none. This is what none, and click OK and close this one. And what we will be doing now is select start button, all programs, select startup and click on it, right click on it and click explore. It will be opening a window. This is called startup window. Now what we will doing is we will just drag and drop this file on this folder and close it. Now once that is done, your task has been completed. Now when your system gets restarted or when you shut down a system and once you on the system, then automatically the startup folder gets triggered first. So at that time what happens, when the system gets started, the whatever the files inside the startup folder will trigger first and the output will be generated. So this is the way we can implement our own text to be read out by the machine at the time of system startup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Keep comments. Thank you. Bye bye.